All right, I'm still having problems where I get out the max range and I lose connection and it does not regain signal, and it only happens sometimes. Sometimes it comes back in, sometimes it doesn't. And a user on Facebook named Jonathan Boer, he had Hubsan sent him an APK that's supposed to fix this problem, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out and see what happens. So I'll get it out to about 1,000 feet and see what happens when it starts to drop signal. All right, I'm 1,300 feet out and I have some trees in front of me, so I can expect to start dropping some signal pretty soon. It's breaking up a little bit. I'm about to lose it. I lost it, and I'm gonna keep pointing forward. I'm gonna try to lose it for good. And I will see what happens if it tries to come back. All right, regain signal, GPS hold. See if I have control. Sometimes it does that, it'll disconnect once or twice and then come back in. So it's back in. I can move full sticks forward and I'm headed home. So I'll try to turn around and do this again. And I'll just push straight out. My antenna's pointing towards it. Lost it again. I'll make sure I lost all video and everything. Everything's gone. I'll let go and keep it pointed downrange towards it. And it lost it at 16:55. We'll see when it comes back in. It's trying to come in. So I had a little bit of a video signal there. Okay, now I have full control. I had the video. Okay, gotta wait, it'll drop. So it's still trying to work itself in. It's still moving forward. So I'm at 16:35. I'm not sure if it moved at all. Or maybe it kept coasting out a little further and came back to 16:35. So I'm gonna leave it there. It's at 16:35 and see if that gets any closer. So it moved up about 30 feet. Am I on hold? Okay, and I have full control. So, as usual, it does not continue the return to home once you get GPS hold. So I've been lobbying for that from the start, but that's not something that it looks like they're going to change. So last time, I'm going to push it out. Just pushing out, and I'll keep an eye on what distance I'm at whenever I lose signal. And I'll put the antennas more perpendicular to the ground. This time it was at 15:58. And it just rains, so there's a lot of water in the trees, and I have trees in the way, so I can expect a disconnect, and that's what I wanted anyway, because I just want to see if it's going to regain signal. And maybe it depends on distance. Maybe I need to go out the full 3,000. So let's see if I have enough battery to try that. So I'll go full sticks forward. And I'll try taking it out like I normally would towards the water.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Breaking up. Now I lost it. Now I'll let go and see what happens. And I got everything pointed downrange. And hopefully I got enough battery to get back. Seem to come in right away. Automatic return. So again, it takes a couple times before it comes all the way in. And as soon as I have it pop on the screen, I'm going to try to hit automatic return. $31.65 is the last distance that it displayed. Okay, it's in automatic return now, so I'm just going to let it go ahead and do its thing. See if I A, have enough battery to get back, and B, see if it keeps the signal. Still returning. So it was going a lot faster before. So I should have enough to get back. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to see if it would lose signal and regain it, and it did do it. I'm not sure if it was trying this new app out. I'll keep testing this out, and hopefully I can put a link to where this guy posted the APK, and maybe some other people can try it. All right, keep watching. I'll go ahead and post more videos as they come up, and keep looking for coupons, and subscribe, like, and comment as usual. And thanks for watching.
I will fly.